Hello everybody. Today we're going to be looking at Elon Musk's influence on computer science. The history of Elon Musk. South African entrepreneur Elon Musk is known for founding Tesla Motors and SpaceX, which launched a landmark commercial spacecraft in 2012. He wrote and sold his first program at age 12 called Blaster, and Musk created and managed many tech companies throughout the last couple of decades such as Zip2 Corporation, PayPal, SpaceX, and Tesla Motors. He continues to manage SpaceX and Tesla Motors to this day. First, we'll look at SpaceX, and he must started the company SpaceX in 2002. And since 2002, SpaceX has accomplished 98 launches, 61 total landings, and 43 reflown rockets. They have launched many satellites into space, with many more to come. SpaceX influence in space exploration has spawned many inventions, such as more cost-effective launches and rockets that can be reflown, which hasn't been done before. Tesla Motors, and it was founded in 2003 by American entrepreneurs Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning until 2008 when Musk took over as CEO. And beginning in 2008, Tesla Motors released its first car, a completely electric roadster. In company tests, it achieved 245 miles on a single charge and a range unprecedented for a production electric car. After a decade of battery innovations, Tesla Motors now makes cars that go over 300 miles on a full charge, and they have now branched out into the solar industry. Speaking of the solar industry, we look at Solar City. Beginning in August of 2016, and Musk's continuing effort to promote advanced sustainable energy and products for a wider consumer base, a $2.6 billion deal was solidified to combine his electric car and solar energy companies. Quoted from Tesla's website states that solar and storage are at their best when they're combined. As one company, Tesla for the storage and Solar City for the solar, can create a fully integrated residential, commercial, and grid-scale products that improve the way that energy is generated, stored, and consumed. Now we look at the Boring Company. The Boring Company, one of Musk's less-known companies. And in January of 2017, Musk launched the Boring Company, a company devoted to boring and building tunnels in order to reduce street traffic. And in late October of that year, Musk posted that the first photo of his company's progress to his Instagram page. He said that the 500-foot tunnel, which would generally run parallel to Interstate 405, would reach a length of 2 miles in approximately 4 months. The Boring Company also scored a contract for $48.7 million to build a loop in Las Vegas. Now, a couple extra technological inventions created by Elon Musk. The picture on the left, as Musk also reportedly found a market for the Boring Company's flamethrowers. After announcing they were going on sale for $500 a piece in late January 2018, he claimed to have sold 10,000 of them within a day. And also the Tesla Semi. The Tesla Motor Company states that the semi-truck, which is expected to enter into production in 2019 before being delayed, boasts 500 miles of range, as well as a battery and motors built to last 1,000,000 miles. Elon Musk's contributions to the future of technology. The picture in the background that you see is a Hyperloop. And in August of 2013, Musk released a concept for a new form of transportation called the Hyperloop, an invention that would foster commuting between major cities while severely cutting travel time. Ideally resistant to weather and powered by renewable energy, the Hyperloop would propel riders in pods through a network of low-pressure tubes at speeds reaching more than 700 miles per hour. Also, in 2017, it was also reported that Musk was backing a venture called Neuralink, which intends to create devices to be implanted in the human brain and help people merge with software. He expanded on the company's progress during a July 2019 discussion, revealing that its devices will consist of a microscopic chip that connects via Bluetooth to a smartphone. And to conclude, Elon Musk helped to create many different innovations that have been important to the advancement of computer science. Concepts such as smart technology between reusable space travel ideas and self-driving cars that run off lithium-ion batteries. With this technology just in the prototype stages, it will be interesting to see where all these advances will bring society to in the upcoming decade.